Traveling outside of Canada, are you worried about those daily roaming charges adding up and eating into your vacation budget? Rogers Roam Like Home is a convenient way to stay connected, letting you use your regular data, talk, and text plan in over 185 destinations for a daily fee. But those daily fees can quickly turn a 2-week trip into a hefty bill. The good news is, for longer trips, Rogers actually has a built-in maximum charge that acts as a cap on your daily Roam Like Home fees. This is the key to stacking those days for big savings. Here's the simple breakdown. Rogers only charges you for a maximum of 20 Roam Like Home days per monthly bill cycle for most destinations. Think about that. If you're traveling internationally for a 30-day trip and you activate Roam Like Home every day, you'd expect to pay for 30 days, right? But because of this maximum, you will only be charged for the first 20 days. Days 21 through 30 within that same bill cycle are essentially free. You get to keep using your phone plan as normal for those extra 10 days without paying a single extra cent for the daily roaming fee. Now, this is where the strategy comes in. To maximize this saving, you need to know 2 crucial things. First, your trip length. The longer you travel, the more likely you are to hit that 20-day cap and enjoy the free stacking days. Second, your Rogers bill cycle date. This is the most critical piece of information. The 20-day limit applies per bill cycle, not per trip. Imagine your bill cycle starts on the 1st of the month. If you leave on the 1st and return on the 25th, you've stacked 5 free days within that single cycle. However, if your trip overlaps 2 different bill cycles, say, you travel from the 20th of one month to the 10th of the next, the 20-day maximum resets on your new billing date. In that scenario, you could end up paying for a full 20 days in the first cycle and up to 20 more days in the second cycle, meaning you're charged for more total days of your trip. So, the biggest savings come when you pack as many travel days as possible into one single bill cycle. To execute this power move, log into your MyRogers account, find your bill cycle start date, and plan your longer travels, like that extended European vacation or winter getaway, to fall within the same 30-day billing window. A quick note on the U.S. Roam Like Home has a separate daily fee and cap for U.S. destinations. Be sure to check Rogers' terms for the specific maximum number of days for U.S. roaming, but the principle of maximizing days within one cycle remains the same. Understanding this 20-day maximum is the smart traveler's hack to getting the most value out of Roam Like Home. It turns an extended trip from a huge roaming cost into a manageable flat fee. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.